Welcome to GardenBound. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of soil bacteria and discovering their crucial role in your garden's health. Did you know that the microscopic organisms in your soil are essential for plant growth and ecosystem functioning? Let's delve into how soil bacteria work and how you can support them. In this video, we'll explore the different types of soil bacteria, their functions, factors affecting their activity, and practical ways to enhance soil bacterial health. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your experiences or questions about soil bacteria. Soil bacteria are single-celled microorganisms found abundantly in soil, playing a vital role in soil fertility and plant health. These bacteria are indispensable for nutrient cycling, soil structure maintenance, and promoting plant growth. There are several types of soil bacteria, each with unique functions. Decomposers break down organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Nitrogen fixers convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can use, while nitrifiers convert ammonia into nitrates, making nitrogen available to plants. Denitrifiers reduce nitrates back to nitrogen gas, completing the nitrogen cycle. Some bacteria, known as pathogens, can harm plants by causing diseases, while symbiotic bacteria form beneficial relationships with plants, such as Rhizobacteria with legumes. Understanding these diverse functions and types of soil bacteria is crucial for effective soil management and improving crop yields. As gardeners, we know that healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. What you might not realize is just how essential soil bacteria are in this process. These tiny microorganisms are like the unsung heroes of the soil, working behind the scenes to keep your plants happy and healthy. Here's how they do it. Soil bacteria play a crucial role in nutrient cycling, which is vital for soil fertility and plant growth. They break down organic matter, like dead plants and animal residues, transforming complex substances into simpler forms that plants can absorb. This decomposition releases essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur into the soil. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria, such as Rhizobacteria and Azotobacter, convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can use. Rhizobacteria, for example, forms nodules on the roots of legumes, like beans and peas, where this magic happens. Phosphorus-solubilizing bacteria, like Pseudomonas and Bacillus, make phosphorus available to plants by breaking down organic phosphorus compounds. Phosphorus is crucial for plant energy transfer and genetic material. Sulfur-oxidizing bacteria, such as Thiobacillus, convert sulfur into sulfate, which plants need for protein synthesis and chlorophyll production. Decomposer bacteria are vital for breaking down dead organic matter, enriching the soil with humus, and improving soil structure. These bacteria, including Bacillus and Pseudomonas species, secrete enzymes that break down complex materials like cellulose and lignin into simpler compounds. The decomposition process starts with fungi and earthworms breaking down organic matter into smaller particles. Bacteria then further decompose these particles, releasing nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur back into the soil. This process not only provides essential nutrients for plant uptake, but also creates humus, which enhances soil moisture retention and improves soil structure. Some soil bacteria, known as plant growth promoting Rhizobacteria, PGPR, are especially beneficial. They produce growth-promoting substances, enhance nutrient uptake, and protect plants from pathogens. PGPR produce phytohormones like auxins, gibberellins, and cytokinins, which boost plant growth. Auxins promote root development, gibberellins stimulate stem growth and flowering, and cytokinins enhance cell division and growth. PGPR help plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. For example, phosphate-solubilizing bacteria make phosphorus available by releasing enzymes that convert it into a form plants can absorb. Some PGPR produce antibiotics that inhibit harmful soil pathogens. Others induce systemic resistance in plants, boosting their natural defenses. Soil bacteria also help form soil structure by producing polysaccharides, which bind soil particles together into aggregates. These aggregates improve soil porosity, enhancing water infiltration and retention, and making it easier for roots to access nutrients and water. Stable soil aggregates also reduce erosion, keeping your garden bed intact. What's the key to making sure these helpful bacteria are thriving in your soil? Enhancing soil bacterial activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy soil ecosystem and promoting robust plant growth. One effective method to achieve this is by adding organic amendments such as compost, manure, or other organic materials. These amendments significantly boost bacterial populations and activity by providing essential nutrients and energy sources for the bacteria. Compost, for example, is rich in organic matter and microorganisms that stimulate bacterial growth and activity, thereby enhancing soil fertility and structure. Implementing crop rotation and planting diverse plant species are also beneficial practices for enhancing soil bacterial activity. Rotating crops and using a variety of plants helps maintain a balanced soil ecosystem by supporting different bacterial communities. Each plant species fosters specific types of bacteria, which contribute to nutrient cycling and disease suppression. For instance, legumes support nitrogen-fixing bacteria, which enhance soil nitrogen content, benefiting subsequent crops. Reduced tillage is another important practice that helps preserve soil structure and bacterial habitats, leading to healthier soil ecosystems. Tillage disrupts soil aggregates and the habitats of beneficial bacteria, reducing their populations and activity. By minimizing soil disturbance, reduced tillage maintains the integrity of soil aggregates and enhances the stability of bacterial communities. This practice also improves soil moisture retention and reduces erosion, creating a more favorable environment for bacterial growth. Planting cover crops plays a vital role in protecting soil from erosion, adding organic matter, and supporting beneficial bacteria. Cover crops such as clover, rye, and vetch improve soil structure and fertility by adding biomass and fostering microbial activity. These plants also protect the soil surface from erosion and reduce nutrient leaching, thereby maintaining a healthy and active bacterial community. Avoiding the overuse of chemicals is essential for promoting a thriving soil environment. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides can harm beneficial soil bacteria and disrupt microbial balance. Instead, opting for integrated pest management, IPM, and organic fertilizers supports bacterial health. IPM practices involve using natural predators, crop rotation, and biological controls to manage pests, reducing the reliance on chemical pesticides. Organic fertilizers, such as compost and manure, provide a slow-release source of nutrients that support bacterial activity without the harmful effects of synthetic chemicals. In your own garden, you can look for signs of healthy bacteria in your soil, such as earthworm presence. Earthworms are a strong indicator of healthy soil. They aerate the soil, break down organic matter, and enhance nutrient cycling, all of which support bacterial activity. Their presence suggests a balanced microbial environment and good soil structure. Rich humus layer. A dark, rich humus layer indicates high organic matter content and active decomposition processes driven by bacteria. This layer improves soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability, all of which are crucial for plant growth and bacterial health. Root nodules. The presence of root nodules on leguminous plants, such as beans and peas, signifies active nitrogen-fixing bacteria, Rhizobacteria. These bacteria form symbiotic relationships with plants, converting atmospheric nitrogen into forms plants can use, which is vital for plant nutrition and soil fertility. Vigorous plant growth. Healthy, vigorous plant growth with deep green leaves indicates good soil health. This is often a result of efficient nutrient cycling by soil bacteria, which release essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium from organic matter. Microbial biomass. High microbial biomass, measurable through soil tests, is a direct indicator of a healthy microbial community, including bacteria. Techniques such as soil respiration tests, microbial carbon and nitrogen assays, and phospholipid fatty acid (PLFA) analysis can quantify microbial biomass and activity. Soil respiration. Soil respiration rates, which measure the amount of carbon dioxide produced by microbial activity, can indicate bacterial health. High respiration rates suggest active microbial processes, decomposition of organic matter, and nutrient cycling. Biological diversity. A diverse microbial community, detectable through DNA sequencing and microbial assays, indicates a resilient and healthy soil ecosystem. Diversity in soil bacteria supports various functions, including nutrient cycling, disease suppression, and organic matter decomposition. Absence of soil compaction. Soil that is not compacted generally supports better microbial activity. Compacted soil restricts air and water flow, which are crucial for bacterial survival and function. Soil that is crumbly and well aggregated typically indicates a healthy level of bacterial activity. Minimal soil erosion. Low rates of soil erosion and good soil structure are indicative of healthy bacterial activity, which helps bind soil particles together and maintain soil stability. This can be observed through the presence of soil aggregates and reduced runoff during rain events. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of soil bacteria. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to GardenBound, and share your thoughts or questions about soil bacteria in the comments below. Together, we can cultivate healthier gardens and a more sustainable environment. Happy gardening!